Hey there, pharmacy owners. I am recording this video in the middle of August, and we have about this much time left in order for you to sign up for your Medicare agent so you can help your community and your patients pick the best Medicare plan for them. And you get to keep that money instead of somebody else, because being a Medicare agent, you may not know. I know that I did not realize the opportunity with being a Medicare agent until I started seeing the numbers. And we are leaving a ton of money on the table, letting somebody else help those patients. And they may not even be helping them take what's right for that patient. Let's be honest. And so I think there's no better person than that local independent pharmacy that really understands drug plans and can really help that patient choose a plan that's going to be best for them for the entire year. And by this much time, I mean a teensy beensy little bit time. We're down to basically the last week. If you want to be able to help your patients this fall, you need to sign up, because there's a process to becoming a Medicare agent, and it just takes some time, and you need to sign up right away. So if you haven't signed up, if you've been thinking about it, now is the time to do. Even if you decide not to do it, which I think when you understand the money, you're going to kick yourself for not doing it quicker. And the person that I recommend the most, I think has the best program for pharmacy owners, not only to help you get set up quick, really understand it, and be a successful agent, but also you get to keep more of your money. You always need a broker, and a broker does a lot of really great things. And so they get a little bit of the money that you generate, but some brokers take more money than others. And I love Seth over at the Road Ahead Insurance over at ICBN. He has a fantastic program. I think hands down the best program for pharmacy owners. And you still have time to get signed up. I will post his link here down below. We'll also put it up on the screen. Send a message to his team, get started. It will take a few weeks to go through the program, get trained up. I think the best person to kind of be the Medicare agent and really run this program is generally not the pharmacy owner. Unless you have a full-time bench crew and you're really stepped away from dispensing, then I think that would be a good position. But otherwise, it's great for a technician, maybe a retired pharmacist that wants to pick up some work, maybe a spouse or a family member. Because you want somebody that can really accommodate all of the Medicare patients' schedule. It's a short time for sign up. And so if you're working the bench, you can do this. There certainly is, especially those with small pharmacies, you certainly can do this. I know plenty of people who work the bench during the day, schedule appointments in the evenings and on weekends, and they're very successful, but it does get a little bit of tiring. So just ideally, you want to talk about that. Seth and his team can kind of work with you through that to help you pick that right person to go through this process. But you are sitting on a literal gold mine, people, just with your patients, not even going out into the community, which is another huge opportunity, but just the patients that you have, helping them optimize their Medicare plan and helping them choose the residual money that you get paid as a Medicare agent. It adds up to a significant amount of money. Many pharmacies are expected to make six figures just from being a Medicare agent. And there is no pharmacy that is not a good fit for this, because even if you have, let's say, a cash only compounding pharmacy, you can still do this and do this for that short time of open enrollment and reach out to people in your community. It doesn't have to be your patient. So literally there is nobody this is not a good fit for. So call Seth's team, get signed up. Don't hate me because you see all this money there. Just say, hey, I can't change the past. I can only move forward, and make really this fall 2024 an amazing year. You get to keep all that revenue. You get to help your patients optimize their Medicare plan, and you get to do it year after year after year. And so it really just compounds on itself, and it really can help differentiate you and diversify your income and help keep you a little bit of stability no matter what happens with your pharmacy, because we all know crazy things are going to happen with pharmacies. So if you have any questions, pop them in the chat. If you think this is helpful, or maybe another pharmacy owner could use this opportunity, please share the show with them and let them in on this, because again, time is short. We need to act now, and that way you can take advantage of this fall. So look forward to chatting with you next time. Bye-bye.